I recall that face, that face. Sunny as spring, sans gloom, sans agony. I witnessed life turning a foe, knocking him down over and again over the years. Now I see this face, this face, withered as winter, sans grit, sans aura, with eyes drenched and a scarred heart. I cannot help but slowly see him fade away. Next one was like this. It was the time of bliss and bloom, and of birds' chime to sound free of gloom. Nay, wrench, a deadly disease, fatal and furious as a flame, sprawled from a sneeze. Many lives it did claim, and the death spread its wings at a rapid rate. The whole world led into a confused state. Creator of the earth denied masses to roam around, be it in Italy or in Perth. I saw no soul on ground. Only then the world witnessed the dire effects of a lockdown. Oh people, we have been suppressed. Signed the horrid Indo-Pak breakdown. For the folks of Kashmir, a lockdown is a normal situation. For the life here is austere and curfews common in this nation. This age shall pass too, and tyranny will fade away, and we will begin all anew, and then will come the day. Next poem is a translation of Akil Asrar's ghazal. So it goes like this. To whom shall we pass on the paths now? Who is a well-wisher, of whom to be afraid now? With eyes but uneasy, I keep on gazing on the moon, whose advent was vowed to me shall arrive now. Solitariness slashes me apart, yet the crowd frightens me. In an era of death, we must die whilst fighting now. Oh my comrades, what is achieved but with hands but folded? A wounded body shall pass midst an ocean of blood now. I have turned myself into a groom, my bride being death. I have turned myself into a groom, my bride being death. I depart with a Sahara dant. I depart with a Sahara dant. You shall arrive now. Slap them, imprint the word freedom on their faces. Slap them, imprint the word freedom on their faces. Fallacious it would be, yet we shall slap the oppressor now. Thank you very much.